Hello, I hope everyone's doing well. We've got another unboxing video of a SMALLRIG Top Handle with cold shoe light. So going around the packaging, nothing too exciting. No, so it's 3764, that's the item number, I suppose. Okay, so let's open this up. No, I'll need to get my knife if I can find it. Nope, can't find my knife, which is not a good sign. Okay, I need to use my snips. Okay, that's off, I hope. Almost. Should be off now. A small little bit there in the corner. Sorry guys. Can we open it now? Yeah. Okay, and now we're cooking. Ooh. Okay, more cardboard. Eco-friendly packaging. Some Allen keys, again eco-friendly. Let's open it. Can't say no to the eco-friendliness. Okay, throw that away. Move that out of the side. So yeah, SMALLRIG top handle. Yeah. So going through this, you got another cold shoe on there. You've got cold shoe on the sides, cold shoe at the back, in different ways. So like you can see, it can go that way. Okay, so you got a 1/4 inch thread, a 1/4 inch thread, no thread at the bottom, just so you know. But you've got threads on the sides, and you've got 5/8 here. 1, 2. Any more? Nope. So let's have a look. So the whole idea behind this is so I can use it on my phone. So I'll unscrew this cold shoe and lock it there. Okay. Probably I'll have to tighten up that screw in there, but I'll do it in a bit. Yeah, it works like a charm. There's a bit of a rubber material here at the bottom of the handle, so we got a nice fill. It's all some kind of an alloy again, with a SMALLRIG logo on the side. Feels quite snug and solid. No comments. Good feel, good thread. Obviously all these are all 1/4 inch holes. Any more 1/4 inch holes? No. So yeah, that's about it. Sorry for the short video. Quite happy with the top handle. I'll put the link in the description, and if you did like this video, please like and subscribe. But for now, take care and have a good night.